Why did I pack for Tulum, Mexico like a week prior to my trip to find out I packed all the wrong stuff? Like,
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
I packed my suitcase a week ago and, well, almost a week ago, and now I gotta completely unpack it because after doing my research, I found out everything I packed was wrong. Let's take a look at what's inside. So we're gonna take a peek in here. I'm gonna show you guys what I packed. I don't know where I thought I was going because this will be my first time going to Tulum. But normally if I travel international, I'm pretty much going places that is like pretty cute, real beachy, real tropical. But this ain't that. Once I did my research, like learning about the jungle, I like, girl, go undo that bag and redo it. So, I won't be needing the purse for one. I might still take this because it is my birthday, and I did locate a couple really nice restaurants like that was really like sexy and cute. But I'm clearly gonna be wearing them with flats. So I don't know where I thought I was going. Guys, where did I think I was going with these? I don't know. But these were so cute. And not only are these little shoes cute, they're really comfortable. I don't wear heels like that because I'm over 40 and I like being comfortable. But these are actually comfortable for them to be a narrow heel and a pointy toe. And y'all know I like color, so a lot of my shoes have color. Guys, I don't know where I thought I was going with these. And it was like maybe 3 other pair. I didn't pack them yet because I was kind of trying to narrow it down so I don't lose space because I had like makeup. Like, where am I going with all that? It's hot as heck according to what they say, and humid. So why would I wear makeup? So I had heels, like little strappy sandals. I had like a cream pair I haven't put in here yet. It was 2 cream pair. I was trying to decide which pair I was going to pack. I don't need them. Where am I going with it? I'm not going to Tulum. These are more like it. My little gladiator sandals. These are more like it. My flats. These are more like it. But honestly, it's so much dust from what I see. I think I just want to wear some simple sandals, right? Just some simple, not only sandals, but like some, I had just bought a pair of decks. I love the blowfish decks. They just so comfortable on my feet and they look cute because I got long feet and they don't look that long. So I like the blowfish decks. So I had bought a pair, but I already had a pair. I just wanted a crispy white pair, like how guys are with their white tees and their Air Force Ones. But once I saw how dusty it is, like just, you know, it's real dusty. Why would I wear brand new tennis shoes? So even though they ain't cost that much, but it don't make sense. If I already have a pair, just wear the pair that's already a little dusty. So I'm not gonna take my tennis back though because I like them anyway and I wear them all the time. But a lot of this stuff, guys, like, where am I going? I'm definitely gonna keep my kimono though. I'm gonna keep my kimono because this is actually from my shop and this is one of my favorite pieces. I wore the hell out of this piece last year because it's so colorful, it's so comfortable, and you could do so much with it. I wore it with swimsuits, I wore it with jean shorts, I wore it with a palazzo pants. I wore it with everything. So I couldn't wait to break this out. I ain't wear it yet this year, but I thought Mexico was like the perfect place to wear it. Not too sure because now I'm going, like a lot of the things I'm gonna be wearing now is more or less like neutral colors, simple stuff that look like it's good for the jungle, right? But still a little cute. But so like sundresses, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it. And I like my little yellow sundress. I haven't worn this in I don't know how long. But I've only taken this dress because this is one of the dresses on me and Doc's first out of town date. When we first met, we had he took me to Jekyll. He took me to Jekyll Island because it was super close and he found out that I love the water. And I wore that dress and he just kept saying how pretty it was. So I said, I'm gonna take that. But no. This shirt, like, where am I going? This is like, I don't need this. This is like really, I think once I saw the atmosphere, it's gonna be uncomfortable. And this is like my booby shirt. This, again, is another shirt that I had on. And Doc just he couldn't stop staring at my boobies. So, I thought this was a good shirt to wear too. And I haven't worn, it's funny because I haven't worn this shirt in, I don't know, y'all, probably 2 years. I don't know. My shorts, I'm definitely gonna keep my shorts. But like this, I think is what I had my pink shoes with. This is like one of my Shein, this is something I got from Shein. I haven't even worn it yet. But it's like a halter top. It's another booby shirt. I was wearing to entice my man. And a long tight skirt. Like, where am I going? Guys, now I like this outfit because I tried it on and this is really cute, right? It hugs all my curves. But this is not something you wear in the jungle. So, slowly gotta take that out. This is my palazzo pant set. This is one of my favorites because it's comfortable, but my pants are really long. And once I saw how dusty it was, I don't want my pants dragging the ground and get dusty and raggedy and tattered. And this again is a halter shirt. This is a super comfy outfit, but now I got a different concept, so I'm not gonna wear that. Again, more palazzo pants. I'm a palazzo pant lover. And these again, they're super comfortable, but I don't want nothing dragging the ground. So not gonna wear that. These are my palazzo pants. This also from my shop. Now these pants I have in pink, yellow, and this orange. And these are another one of my favorite items because they hug my curves. They super comfortable. I'm tall, I'm 5'9", and these are like perfect. It's hard to find pants that fit or like long, tall women. They getting better now. I ain't gonna lie, they getting better now. But these are just like perfect. I love these pants. But I don't want them dragging the ground. Not to mention, they kind of went with my white sneakers and with another booby shirt, which is a halter top. And I just don't think that's appropriate for the jungle, right? So I'm gonna take that out. This I might keep in. I really like this dress because like I said, we still may go somewhere, find one of them real cute, sexy restaurants. And it is my birthday, so I don't want to be like looking like Jane of the Jungle the entire time. And this is so comfortable. It's so silky. And the good thing about this, I could wear it if I want to wear heels, I can. But if I want to wear flats, I can. It's kind of like a versatile piece. So I don't know, I might still wear that one. It's just so comfortable. It's so comfortable, guys. I don't need a girdle, right? I can't explain the fabric. The fabric kind of just, it does right on my body, right? It doesn't really show all of the rolls. So I might keep this one just to kind of prance around the house. I don't know. This was a real jungle looking dress. But now, again, now what I'm looking for is like a lot of netted kind of clothing. Or like linen. That's kind of, I don't know. That's what I felt like was suitable going on this kind of trip once I like really did the research. But this I might keep because it's just cute and it's simple. And I can hop in and out of the tub that's at our condo. So I might keep this one. I haven't worn this one yet either. This is a brand new piece. And the rest of it, guys, as you see, I ain't really have a lot of clothes for a week-long stay. But what I did have was a lot of swimwear. But once I saw like the different kind of, all these are swimsuits, guys. Swimsuits and cover-ups. But once I saw in halter tops, I'm not wearing this halter top. Like, I ain't gonna be able to do it. I ain't gonna be able to do it. Once I kind of saw like the things that we were gonna be doing, I want to be comfortable. And like being in the cenotes, they probably could wear the 2 pieces, but I ain't gonna be able to do it. I got a lot going on, right? And I don't want to be jumping on, swinging off of ropes and stuff, and I have something pop out. So I'd rather, now I'm just going to be going for like more or less 1 piece, and I'm looking for like the unitard, like a scuba set. That's what I think that would be for me, real comfortable, jumping in and out, just being real active. Otherwise, I ain't gonna be able to move a lot because I ain't gonna be able to move a lot. Let's just put it like that. So I gotta take all this out. I'm gonna change up I'm keeping this though. I've had this one of my favorite beach pieces. I've had this piece for so long, guys. And the reason being is because I love it. I got a blue one as well. So I'm definitely gonna keep this because this one just makes me feel like Mother Earth. I don't know what it is about this piece and my blue one. So now I'm gonna pack the blue one since I gotta take everything else out. To have some pieces like that because I know we're gonna spend a day on the beach. I know one day we're gonna go to the Mayan ruins, and we're gonna catch the bus there. I think I heard that was pretty cool to catch the bus. Another day is gonna be like an all-day thing with the ATVs and all that kind of stuff. Then another day gonna be like the upscale day, hitting all of the upscale spots. But I'm still not gonna be wearing no heels. And I know one day, I know he ain't gonna want to, but one day I just need him to rest. I just need him to. We gonna just hang out at the condo, just chill in the pool, and he just rests, right? That's what I would like. But he's such an adrenaline junkie. He gonna want to kind of do something. So maybe I'll let him rest. That'd probably be the thing. I'll suggest he rest toward the end, because we come back, we go Sunday to Sunday, and maybe that Saturday we do nothing. He rests. Sunday we leave home, and then he got hit it back at work on Monday. So long as he gets some rest, I'll be fine. I will feel like it wasn't, I feel like we both got a lot out of this trip. So long story short, I gotta get rid of all that. Now what I did do, guys, I went a little bananas because I really couldn't, I didn't want to go to a mall. I'm not a mall person. I'm really not. I am a buy it online, buy some stretchy stuff because I got curves, right? So I know if it's stretchy, can't really go wrong. So I just went and did a Shein haul. I'm not going to do the whole try on thing. I just don't feel like it. But I will show you some pieces that I know I'm definitely going to take with me. This I had to get. I wasn't too sure how it was going to look on me, but I saw the people like in the reviews. Baby, this thing is so pretty. I'm trying to tell you guys. This on that white sandy beach or whatever color the sand is. Some people said it was white in certain parts. This is really pretty. So this is definitely going. What else did I get in here? We plan on walking. Like doing some hiking and some walking. So just got some stretch pants, something I could wear. Keep my pink alive, right? But these are going to go just so I can have some kind of athletic wear. A lot of these are pants I'm not going to take. This is like a swim cover up. This was really pretty. Definitely going to take this. This is like a two-piece, but this is super cute. So I'm definitely going to take it. Even if I just wear it at the room where we have our own private pool. Definitely taking that. This I'm taking. This was cute. I like it, guys, but this little, now this is cute. I thought when I put this on, I was like, oh yeah, that look like it's jungly. But we ran into the problem. I love how, it's the gradient going to the white. Maybe they high waters, but I don't care because I had bought another set and they was high waters too. But this one looked so cute. I said I'm keeping it. I said I dare somebody say something. But I just like the little frilly things on the side. But this is what I'm going for. So I'm going to look for some more pieces, something similar to this. Like this is like kind of along the lines I'm thinking. Pieces like this. That's going. I got like some tank top stuff just because they said how hot it is and how some of these tours is like a lot of walking. So I got stuff like this to go with some water shoes for the cenotes because they say you will slip and bust your tail. There's a whole bunch of other stuff in here, but once I got it, some of it I'm actually going to return. This is from my shop. I thought this was super cool. I like the color. It's a neutral color. It's just a simple two-piece. And this was one of my favorite pieces last year too because it's just comfortable. It's real comfortable and it feels real nice on your body. So I'm definitely going to take that. And this is something that's really, this look real touristy. So this is just some linen culottes. Like super comfortable. Look like I'm somebody's grandmother, right? Look appropriate, age appropriate. So that's pretty much like the look now that I'm going for compared to what I had in mind. So I got to repack. So I'm about to repack now. So far I've learned a lot just doing research for this trip. I learned what kind of like the best hairstyle, which is clearly something curly and a sew-in, not a lace front. If you're going to be there a long time and if you plan on getting in water. Also have the water shoes because the cenotes, some of them are slippery. So you definitely want to have something secure on your feet. Also the bug spray. Now somebody suggested to eat raw garlic like a couple days before so that it can like, so the smell can seep through seep through your pores, and it's a good bug repellent because everybody kept talking about the freaking bugs. And I'm not a bug lover, so I don't know how this is gonna go. I don't. But I don't want to be eating garlic and sitting by people and all in the airport. I don't want to do that. So I don't know about that one just yet. But I do have my bug spray. But I have some bug spray. But for me, off don't really work. I don't know. The wristbands, none of that stuff really work. When they be wanting me, they come and get me. They come and get me. I'm trying to tell you, they eat me up every time I go international. But this is even worse because it's damp. It's the jungle. And I'm like, what the heck did I get myself into? But nonetheless, I saw so many beautiful things that I want to do. So many like things that got me excited to really get active again. Like with the bike ride and then ATV and just the water. I'm a mermaid, y'all. I'm a mermaid. So if you guys been to Tulum, I'm gonna try and at least release this video before I go. Y'all give me some tips because it's a whole lot that's on YouTube, and I did get a whole lot. I'm not gonna lie, I got a whole page of notes, but I still feel like it's something missing. Especially with the hair thing. Like the young lady video had nothing to do with Mexico, had nothing to do with Tulum. It just was about hair. So I think that's a good video to create because I couldn't find one. And if y'all got any tips, like what y'all do when y'all there, best places to see, any activities, put them down in the comments, please, y'all. Please, please, please. And one thing I'm going to start doing on this channel, because I thought it was super cool, because I saw another young lady do it, is do a Q&A. Like, I get questions all the time, and they'll just be randomly like all over the place. And so since most people that know me know I have multiple pages, I have multiple businesses, so I can't keep up. So what I'm going to start asking you guys to do, if y'all have questions, just put them below in the comments. I'm going to do a separate video every time I do a Q&A, because I thought that was super cool. That's a really good way to get to personally know the person you're following, and also for me to personally know who it is that follow me. So if y'all got any tips for me for Tulum, put them down in the comments. Otherwise, y'all know how I do when I travel. This is gonna be a whole series of videos around Tulum, and this is the very first one. So you ain't gotta share this video because it's not really a lot. I'm just rambling. But at least like it, subscribe to it so you can hear all the adventures on what's gonna happen in Tulum. Because if you know me, normally when I do things for the first time, it's a whole lot that be happening. It's a whole adventure. So just stay tuned, guys, okay? Bye, loves.